In this video, we're going to look at how to switch up the kinds of tiles that we have in our level. You'll be learning how to import a costume into your level tile sprite. We'll be rebuilding the custom code block entirely to be able to make things a little bit clearer. And we'll also be using a custom word that we type into our custom code to be able to switch up our tile to create new tile types in our level. Here's a look at the final code of what we added in. And if I come over to my Maximize button, we're going to have a look at what that looks like in action. Here we are back in our code. I'm going to upload a new costume and call this grass. I'm then going to create an entirely new block, but I'm going to use this to actually rearrange everything in my previous block. So I want to make sure that I call all of my existing variables in my previous rectangle block the same thing. And we're also going to add in that tile type variable that you can see there to be able to switch up which tile we're actually going to be using for which rectangle. Once that's done, I remove my old code from my rectangle custom block and attach it to my new level block. I then remove the old rectangle code and bring in my new level block code, but I'm going to also redo that so that it has the same thing as it did before. I then get rid of my rectangle block. I then go to looks and switch costume to command, and I use the tile type variable that I created and plug that in. So now whatever I type in here, as long as it relates to the name of a costume, it will show up in my final level.